Oh, hello again. I had a quick listen on 80 metres earlier on today. Not something I do terribly often, but from time to time, and the usual suspects were on there, and they were talking about operating. I wasn't listening all that closely, and I wasn't listening for terribly long, but they were talking about operating on the 137 kilohertz frequency. I think it's 137,444 was the frequency they were talking about, and how they might be doing it. And you know, your wavelength is 2,200 metres. They were wondering what sort of antennas to use, etc., etc. I just chipped in a quick comment saying, you know, take a look at, see if you can get any information on the old Decca navigation system, because that used to operate on between 70 and I think it was 129 kilohertz, and it used to radiate quite effectively with 200-foot radio masts from memory. And I thought, well, if it'll work with a 200-foot mast, you could probably get reasonable results if you just strung out 200-foot of wire and loaded that. But I've never actually done it, but I thought, well, I'll just have a listen on 137.444. A digit short there, but it's pretty close. And having listened to it, it's the FT857, of course. Having listened to it, all I can say is good luck with that. I think they're allowed 1 watt EIRP, but I mean, let's change the mode here. I'd have to twiddle the knob, but don't want to worry about that too much. Yeah, I reckon that is going to be a waste of time, to be honest. I'll just show you that I'm looking at 137 kilohertz by increasing the frequency. Up to the ABC. Where's that? 720, isn't it? There's a few around, of course.
You run into liberals all the time who
yeah, there we go. So that's what 137.44 kilohertz actually sounds like. I don't think I'll be worrying about it too much myself personally. I think the bandwidth you're allowed on there is about 1 hertz, isn't it? Anyway, just a very quick video inspired by a conversation I had on 80 metres this afternoon about this 137 kilohertz frequency that I don't know whether it's a new one actually. I was going to say that we now have, or whether it's been around for some time. I know there's a bit of interest in it, low frequency propagation, but yeah. If you really want to know how it propagates, probably the easiest thing to do is just read up on the old Decca navigation system. Alright, well, just a very quick video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.